Welcome everyone to my next price prediction video for 2024 out of the 100 videos series out here for STX crypto we're talking about today. This is another one which is looking for performing, so we thought giving it a try and share with you the informations that are actually backed up by data. So it's not just about the fact that you're speculating out of the blue or expecting certain things based on nothing, pure desire. No, those kind of predictions are empty of value, and we're not looking forward to wasting any single moment of your time. STX crypto is actually delivering in this pre-bull market rally, and early 2024 is going to be a great timing for STX to promise even better numbers, especially it is a year where this crypto can reach all-time high and follow through some greatness. Before we get into the topic, make sure to like the video as well, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have daily videos as well, presentations of price predictions for 2024. All sorts of price predictions which are only rational and straight into the point, including, by the way, for those of you that would like to participate in my trades, we are performing ChatGPT at bot trading completely done for you. This is a live trade that I'm having right here on Bybit right now, 49 grand on a quick scalping that we performed. By the way, this is the trading report and how you can join through two options. Option number one, no prior fee, only commission from pure profits made, which are paid by you every 7 days. So the commission is based on performance and it's paid by you every 7 days after things have been performed and achieved. So the whole trading is done through API trading permission, and you only give trading permission and that's it. And this is how it functions. I'm going to talk about it at the end, including about the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there that is serious about a crypto space and looking to trade professionally. That's it, folks. STX right there. STX crypto on the daily charts. Well, look what has been going on today, guys. I mean, I've been deciding to film it at the perfect moment because we just did a massive breakout. I'm definitely sorry for the ones that have missed entering at this perfect moment, which is a retest of the major environment trending line resistance, right? So it has lasted for 669 days. We have been going straight into that line, and there's still people missing on the entries when it comes down to it, which is pretty much portraying that the markets have been moved since that already 69% in 9 days. I mean, this is wild. To be honest with you, this is wild, and it's just about to begin, continuing by we just broke out of this heavy top. It was a heavy one. Just look at the values and reactions right there. Look how many days that we tried to break out, and it was a completely failure. It was back in the day in March 2023, yet right now things have changed and we're going to enter in 2024 with a massive volume on board. The first target is obviously the top of the structure, which is situated at $1.8, and then for 2024, guys, we're looking to at least retouch the 1.618 level. This 1.618 level is pairing up with the all-time highs, which are sitting around $3, $3.2. So the extensions over there can be very, very helpful. But at the same time, a rejection is expected in between the two zigzag area of the extension, 1.272 and 1.414. Those are levels that we're going to have to fight with, which means that the markets can easily be portrayed like that. You are continuing your move, you can easily pull back and construct your liquidity at this level by creating a nice downtrending and a flag. You break out, construct again, and printing as well your moving averages supporting you here, right? Moving averages got to come into and support you here when you're forming the ultimate low. You're also retesting certain other levels, and you're continuing with the breakout into the zigzag area between the red line and the green line out here, pushing through those and finding basically quite a heavy resistance on the 2.8 mark. Starting from there, things are going to become quite difficult. In order for the cryptocurrencies to deliver breakouts of all-time highs, they actually need a proper market environment to do so, which isn't something I'm suspecting not to have in 2024. It's just about a timing. So the only thing I'm actually questioning right now while I'm speaking to you is whether this is going to happen in the first part of the year, which is the first 6 months of the year, or late part of the year, second part of the year. probably after the first 6 months. We are going to have prolonged downtrends in 2024 as well, which will not end up after 3 to 4 days. You can very easily basically dump for 2 or 3 months and then restart a rally. This is how the 2024 is going to look like. Much more volatile with a lot of the force into both directions, which is why I'm telling you folks, trading, especially with leverage, is extremely profitable but can be very, very dangerous. Now, these levels are the ones that we're actually going to pay high attention, and as we get closer, we'll have the ability to speak about the timing, depends how quickly do we achieve those, and then the upcoming price action potential probabilities for the all-time high situation, which is still sitting on the table. It has great chances to be achieved considering the market might move from here, from this breakout we just did. It might print, guys, from here. I mean, numbers can be dead, of course. Numbers can be completed as the market has liquidity and volume, and people will turn their attention to all the cryptos that are moving. This is how traders are doing. They're chasing the pumps. Absolutely a huge mistake by doing so, but that's what happens. So cryptos are taking advantage of that, and they're moving a little bit higher. Then of course they are trapping them on board and liquidating them sooner or later. I'd like to tell you one thing. The exchanges do not need to liquidate you right now. The exchanges do not need to take you out at this moment. The exchanges will take you out in the bull markets, for sure. So they're allowing you right now to construct and build your liquidity, your portfolios, your balances. Do not sit away, expect to have the same difficulties at this time comparable to the bull market situations, when you also get downtrends, when you also get sell-offs, and you get them at such power that it completely takes you out if you have a wrong entry, or it chases your stop loss quite easily, especially for these altcoins. I mean, the strategies and techniques to be trading around altcoins is totally different, and then in the altcoin sector and category as well, we have different strategies and approaches to apply on, which is why I'm telling you folks, if you pretty much care about this particular part of education and skills, then the one-on-one coaching is the solution for you. This is the place where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade at a professional scale. Been trading since 2014. You can see many of my performances listed, and you can also see the trading spreadsheet and many of the videos where you can basically deduct from that there is knowledge around the topic. So intensively one-on-one with me, I'm going to teach you how to discover the language of the market and act accordingly with that. Along the way, with the ability for you guys to have a homework-based exercises, live trading, strategies, indicators, and concepts that the trader needs. We're also talking about mindset and psychology, as without those, it is impossible to construct anything in the space of trading. So it's a complex thing. Check this video to see how the stages are working and in a detailed explanation, including the register now for a free conversation with me. So then if you would like to participate in the meantime in the training as well, you can definitely do it. There's some options over here and it's all pretty much included. Now that's it on the topic, folks. We're having a good time here with the trades open, and this is a scalping trade that is running around. So enjoy, folks. We talk to you soon.